reign of tyranny has finally come to an end. Not too long ago, I entered into a contest organized by Deity, and apparently I won, which was really surprising because I hardly ever win anything. So yeah, I won a V.Lav microphone, and that is what I've been using to record the audio for my last 2 or 3 videos. And today we're gonna be taking a look at the unboxing and comparing it against my old Remax karaoke mic. And yeah, we're gonna see if it's really that amazing. Spoiler alert, it is that amazing. Hey there tech heads, welcome back to the channel. Now if this is your first time here, I would really appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button, as we're on the road to 500 subscribers and I would love us to get there fairly quickly. Now with all that said, let's get straight into the unboxing and comparison. Okay, so the package was sent to me through DHL, and this is my first time receiving anything through DHL, so the unboxing was pretty clumsy. There was this brown box we had to get through as well. I sliced it in a very inhumane manner and just rushed or hurried up to get to it. Then we were greeted with the microphone itself, surrounded by bubble wrap. Wait, bubble wrap? Okay, now getting right back to it. We are greeted by this pretty cool, pretty small box for the Deity V.Lav microphone. And yeah, let's take a look and see what's inside the box. So I grabbed my knife and took an uncomfortable amount of time slicing open this box.
One eternity later.
After an incredibly grueling battle with an inanimate object, I was finally able to get the box open. Now, we're greeted with this really cool black carrying case, and we'll put that aside for now. The contents of the box are a service warranty card and the user manual as well, which also proved difficult for me to get out of the box. Now, putting the box aside, like I said, we have the user manual with the company's branding, V.Lav and Deity, and we have the service warranty. We also have this tiny packet of desiccants, and it says do not eat, so please do not eat this, it is poisonous. Then taking a look at the carrying case, it's really well made. It has this rugged texture and the company's branding all over it, and V.Lav at the top. Opening the case, we were greeted with the microphone itself. The case isn't really huge, so it was kind of difficult to get the microphone out. So the microphone comes with an extra foamy thingy at the top. And unwrapping the microphone, the first thing I noticed was how long it was. This is a very, 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 very long microphone. It also has this really nice clip for you to clip it to your lapel, and the company's branding on this tiny box here. Now this box or this compartment is meant for batteries. Yes, so there are batteries in this microphone, and whenever they run low or die, you'd be able to change them inside this box. There's also a dead cat here, which I found really cool. So for us to be able to compare, this is what the old Remax mic sounds like. I normally keep it on the table so it doesn't show in the video, but like this is it. And when I speak into it, I guess it sounds clearer and better than when it's on the table. But yeah, it's not terrible, but it's not really convenient for YouTube. So that was the sound quality of the Remax karaoke microphone, and everything you've heard so far, including this, has been recorded using the V.Lav. So I don't know what else to say. Just let me know in the comment section which microphone you think sounds better. I would go for the V.Lav for several reasons, but the most obvious would be the fact that it's in closer proximity to your mouth, so it's able to pick up, you know, sound waves better, and it's just of a higher build quality. So yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Deity V.Lav microphone and the comparison. Let me know what you guys think. about it and the sound quality in the comment section down below. If you're interested in getting this mic, I will have links in the description, so make sure to check that out as well. Also, make sure to check out my previous videos if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching this one, and yeah, stay cool, stay safe. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.